Your garden, calm, colorful, full of life. It's where kids play and pets explore. But what if I told you, behind those beautiful leaves, some plants hide a deadly secret? Every year, thousands of pets and even small children are accidentally poisoned by common garden plants, ones many of us grow right outside our doors. In today's video, we'll uncover 10 ordinary plants with extraordinary danger and reveal safer, beautiful alternatives you can grow instead. Every year, more than 100,000 cases of pet poisoning are reported, most of them from plants we grow in our own gardens. Dogs and cats love to explore with their mouths. They chew, sniff, and taste everything. And for small children, the danger is just as real. Bright flowers and berries look tempting, sweet-smelling, colorful, harmless, but they're not. Some of these plants can cause mild irritation. Others can lead to heart problems, paralysis, even death if swallowed in large amounts. But don't worry, awareness is the first step. Knowing which plants to avoid and what to plant instead can keep your home beautiful and safe. At first glance, it's one of the most stunning garden shrubs. Glossy leaves, clusters of pink, white, or red flowers that bloom all year. But behind its beauty lies one of the most toxic plants on Earth. Every part of the oleander, its flowers, leaves, stems, even the sap, contains powerful cardiac glycosides, the same compounds used in heart medications. A single leaf can disrupt heart rhythms, or worse. Even a single leaf can be lethal to a dog. In pets, it often starts with vomiting and drooling, then progresses to heart failure. For humans, especially children, accidental ingestion can be fatal. If you love colorful blooms, replace oleander with hibiscus or rose of Sharon, equally vibrant, completely safe for your family and pets. Elegant, fragrant, pure, lilies are among the most loved flowers in the world. They brighten homes, decorate weddings, and fill our gardens with grace. But for cats, even a tiny brush against the pollen can be deadly. Lilies contain toxins that cause acute kidney failure, and it can happen within hours. Veterinarians report that nearly 70% of feline lily poisoning cases come from household bouquets, not garden beds. Even with treatment, recovery can be uncertain. A single lick of lily pollen, from fur, from water, even from the air, is enough to shut down a cat's kidneys. If you love elegant blooms, choose orchids or African violets instead, just as beautiful, completely safe. With its tropical look and sculpted fronds, the Sago Palm is a favorite indoor decoration. It's hardy, beautiful, and often mistaken for a miniature palm tree. But despite its charm, this plant is highly toxic, especially to dogs. The seeds, often mistaken for nuts, contain a toxin called psychocin, which attacks the liver. Even a small amount can cause irreversible liver failure. Dogs are naturally curious, and many chew on the fallen seeds. Within hours, signs like vomiting, weakness, or yellowing eyes begin, often too late for full recovery. If you love the tropical aesthetic, choose an Erica palm or ponytail palm instead. They're equally beautiful and 100% safe for pets. Few flowers can match the breathtaking colors of the hydrangea. Soft blues, gentle pinks, deep purples. A symbol of grace and calm, they're a favorite for gardeners everywhere. But beneath that beauty lies a quiet danger. Hydrangeas contain compounds called cyanogenic glycosides, chemicals that release cyanide when digested. For pets and even small children, chewing on the leaves or flowers can lead to vomiting, diarrhea, and deep fatigue. While rarely fatal, hydrangea poisoning can still make your pet dangerously ill. It's a reminder that beauty in nature often comes with hidden power. For a burst of color without the risk, plant butterfly bush or viburnum instead. They're safe, vibrant, and attract pollinators that bring your garden to life. Few sights are as enchanting as a garden filled with azaleas and rhododendrons. Their blossoms glow like living jewels, loved by bees and gardeners alike. But beauty can deceive. Every part of these plants, from the leaves to the petals, contains grayanoxins, potent chemicals that disrupt the heart's rhythm. In pets or humans, even a small amount can cause drooling, weakness, vomiting, and in severe cases, cardiac failure. These flowers remind us, nature's most stunning creations can also be her most dangerous. Awareness turns beauty into wisdom. Choose safer elegance instead. Camellias and gardenias offer the same charm, pure, fragrant, and gentle for both pets and people. You've probably seen this plant in countless homes and offices. The Dieffenbachia, or dumb cane, is loved for its bold tropical leaves and low maintenance. But inside those striking leaves lies a powerful irritant, calcium oxalate crystals. If chewed or licked, they cause intense burning, swelling of the tongue and throat, and, in severe cases, difficulty breathing. Even brushing against the sap can irritate sensitive skin. It's a perfect indoor plant, just not for homes with pets or small children. Awareness and placement are everything. For the same lush indoor look without the risk, try parlor palms or Boston ferns. They bring life and air-purifying beauty safely. The foxglove is one of nature's most enchanting wildflowers, tall, elegant, and full of history. But beneath that beauty lies a potent chemical secret, one powerful enough to stop a heart. From this plant, scientists derived digitalis, a life-saving drug for heart disease. Yet in its natural form, the same compound becomes highly toxic. Even small doses can disrupt heart rhythm and lead to fatal cardiac arrest. It's the perfect example of how nature's medicine can also be nature's poison. If you love the tall blooms and vibrant color of foxgloves, plant lavender or snapdragons instead. Both add charm and fragrance without the risk. From offices to bedrooms, few plants are as popular as the philodendron and pothos, often called the golden money plant. Their lush vines bring life to any corner, elegant, low maintenance, and endlessly green. But hidden in their beauty lies a painful truth. These plants contain calcium oxalate crystals, the same compound found in dumb cane. When chewed or licked, they cause burning of the mouth, swelling of the lips and tongue, and drooling in pets. A common mistake, people assume they're harmless just because they're decorative. For the same trailing beauty, go with spider plants or peperomia. They're non-toxic, easy to care for, and just as stunning. Truly pet-friendly choices. A little knowledge can make your home both green and safe. Few flowers say spring quite like the daffodil, cheerful, golden, and full of life. A symbol of hope and new beginnings, planted in gardens around the world. But beneath that beauty lies danger. The bulbs contain toxic alkaloids that can cause severe vomiting, abdominal pain, and even heart rhythm disturbances if eaten. Dogs, cats, and even curious toddlers are most at risk when these bulbs are mistaken for onions. If you love bright spring flowers, try marigolds or crocuses instead. They're cheerful, easy to grow, and safe for every member of the family, paws included. True beauty shines brightest when it's safe. Elegant, pure, and calming, the peace lily has become a symbol of tranquility in homes and offices worldwide. But even this symbol of peace hides a quiet danger. Its leaves and flowers contain calcium oxalate crystals, which cause oral irritation, drooling, and difficulty swallowing if chewed. For the same touch of calm, choose bamboo palm or areca palm, graceful, air-purifying, and perfectly pet-safe. Now that you know the risks, the best protection is knowledge. Start by labeling and identifying every plant in your garden. Beauty is safest when you know its name. Teach children early. Never touch or taste plants they don't recognize. And always keep pets supervised or away from risky areas. If you love gardening with pets, simple design choices like raised beds, hanging pots, or small fences can make a huge difference. It keeps curious paws and little hands safely away. Before bringing any new plant home, check trusted sources like the ASPCA's Pet Safe Plant List. It's one of the simplest habits that can prevent tragedy and ensure your garden remains a safe, living paradise. A safe garden doesn't mean a dull one. You can still fill your space with color, fragrance, and life without the hidden risks. Try lavender for fragrance, rosemary for greenery, marigolds for color, and sunflowers for joy. These plants don't just brighten your garden, they attract pollinators and create a healthy, thriving ecosystem. With the right choices, your garden can be a paradise for every living thing, a place where beauty and safety grow together. Your garden should be a place of life, not hidden danger. Now that you know which plants to avoid, you can build a safer, more vibrant home for your pets, your kids, and everyone you love. A little awareness goes a long way. Together, we can make every garden a safe haven of color, fragrance, and joy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it so more families can protect their loved ones too. And before you go, check out our next video, 10 plants that repel mosquitoes naturally. You'll love how simple it is to keep your garden pest-free the natural way.